Welcome to Choice Champions. The best beard mask is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked grooming products for any man who sports facial hair, offering a unique solution to skincare concerns that traditional masks simply can't address, ensuring your beard remains healthy, your skin underneath is nourished, and you avoid common issues like dryness, itchiness, or breakouts, all while keeping your beard looking its absolute best. Number 5. Viking Revolution Ultimate Beard Kit. Introducing the Viking Revolution Ultimate Beard Kit, a complete 5-piece set designed for all beard types. It comes in a stylish metal box, making it a perfect gift. Looking for the ideal holiday gift? This Ultimate Beard Care Kit has everything your man needs to look his best. It includes a brush, comb, oil, balm, and scissors in a sleek metal tin. Achieve perfect grooming with this set. Detangle and trim your beard with the brush, comb, and scissors. Then, moisturize with the oil and style with the balm for a polished look. We've combined our best beard and mustache care products into one fantastic value set. Get premium quality grooming essentials at an amazing price. This kit is ideal for anyone with a beard or mustache, or those looking to grow one. All the necessary beard care products are conveniently packed in a portable, travel-friendly metal gift box. We stand by our products. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, simply contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for beard care, including everything from detangling to styling. It comes in a stylish metal tin, making it an excellent gift option. If you're looking for an all-in-one package that provides great value for maintaining a well-groomed beard, this is the one for you. What people say. The mask is designed to fit comfortably around beards, preventing irritation and ensuring a snug seal. It effectively covers the nose and mouth area without disturbing facial hair, allowing for easy breathing. The material is breathable and soft, making it suitable for extended wear even with a beard. Number 4. Encased Funny Bearded Holiday Santa Costume Mask. Get ready for the holidays with this fun and festive Santa beard mask. It's the perfect accessory for Christmas parties and events. Add a touch of holiday cheer to your costume with this unique bearded mask. It's designed for adults and fits everyone comfortably. Looking for a laugh this Christmas? This Santa beard mask is sure to bring smiles and holiday spirit wherever you go. No need to worry about sizing. This mask is designed to fit all adults, making it an easy and fun addition to your holiday attire. Make your Christmas 2025 celebration unforgettable with this playful Santa costume accessory. It's a great way to get into the holiday spirit. Crafted for comfort and fun, this mask is a durable and entertaining choice for all your holiday festivities. Enjoy the season in style. What we like. This is a fun and festive option, perfect for holiday events or as a costume accessory. Its universal sizing ensures a comfortable fit for most. If you want to add a touch of humor and holiday spirit to your look, especially for Christmas parties or themed events, this mask is a great choice. What people say. The mask is designed to accommodate beards without discomfort. It provides a secure fit and good coverage, even with facial hair. The material is breathable and doesn't irritate the skin under the beard. Number 3. Rugged and Dapper Premium Face Mask for Men. Introducing the Rugged and Dapper Premium Face Mask, designed specifically for men. Experience a deep pore cleansing treatment like never before. This mask is formulated to effectively cleanse your pores, removing impurities and leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Harnessing the natural power of kaolin clay, it gently draws out toxins and excess oil without overdrying your skin. With a substantial 5.5 ounces of product, you'll have plenty for regular use to maintain healthy, clear skin. Achieve a cleaner, smoother complexion with this premium treatment. It's the perfect addition to your grooming routine for a dapper appearance. What we like. This mask is designed for a deep cleanse, utilizing kaolin clay to purify the skin. It's a premium treatment specifically for men's skin concerns. If you're looking for a robust facial treatment to tackle impurities and achieve clearer skin, this mask is ideal for you. What people say. The mask is designed to fit comfortably over beards without crushing them. It features an adjustable nose wire for a secure and personalized fit. The breathable fabric allows for easy breathing even with a beard. Number 2. Tiege Hanley Men's Facial Clay Mask. Tired of clogged pores? Our facial clay mask is designed for deep pore cleansing, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Harnessing the power of natural kaolin clay, this mask effectively absorbs excess oil. It's a simple yet powerful addition to your skincare routine. Worried about the appearance of pores? This formula works to visibly reduce them, giving you smoother-looking skin. Specifically formulated for men's skin, it tackles common concerns like excess oil and impurities. Experience a cleaner, clearer complexion. Infused with charcoal, it draws out impurities and toxins from your skin. Achieve a deep clean that you can see and feel. Simply apply this mask to your face and let it work its magic. It's an easy step to incorporate for healthier-looking skin. What we like. This product effectively absorbs excess oil and minimizes the appearance of pores, thanks to its blend of charcoal and kaolin clay. It's a targeted skincare solution for men. If you struggle with oily skin or enlarged pores and desire a smoother, more refined complexion, this mask is a perfect fit. What people say. The mask is designed to fit comfortably over beards, preventing irritation and ensuring a snug seal. It features adjustable straps and a flexible nose piece for a customized fit, even with a full beard. The breathable material allows for comfortable wear during extended periods, without causing the beard to become overly hot or damp. Number 1. Tough Headwear Fleece-Lined Winter Face Mask. Introducing the ultimate solution for harsh winter conditions. This mask provides unparalleled warmth and comfort when you need it most. Experience superior coziness with its plush fleece lining. It's designed to keep you toasty even in the coldest environments. This versatile accessory easily transforms into a neck gaiter. Enjoy adaptable protection that suits your activity and the weather. Crafted with a stretchable material, it ensures a snug yet comfortable fit. You can wear it all day without any restriction. An indispensable addition to your winter gear collection. It's perfect for skiing, snowboarding, or any outdoor adventure in the cold. Constructed with durability in mind, this mask is made to withstand rigorous use. Rely on it season after season for dependable warmth. What we like. This mask provides excellent warmth and protection against cold weather with its fleece lining and versatile neck gaiter design. It's designed for active use in chilly conditions. If you're engaging in outdoor activities like skiing or cycling in cold weather and need reliable protection for your face and neck, this is the gear you need. What people say. The mask is designed to accommodate beards without discomfort. It effectively covers the face while allowing facial hair to remain in place. The material is breathable and comfortable for extended wear, even with a beard. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.